6 proven ways to reduce allergens in your home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Allergy sufferers are particularly vulnerable to mold, dust, pollen and various other allergens. At a time when you want to ensure the health and well-being of everyone in your family, you have to take the necessary steps and make sure that allergens are at the minimum. You don't want to overwhelm people struggling with allergies even further. To that end, the following tips will help you big time. Number 1. Proper dusting. The most important step you can take to minimize allergens is to get in the habit of dusting properly and frequently. First and foremost, you need to ditch the feather duster. Despite its name, this tool is mostly ineffective against dust and only sends the particles flying around the room. You need to embrace bamboo cloths for the task. They make dust and allergen particles stick to them and collect the most allergens from surfaces. Simply dampen the bamboo cloth and then do the job. Next, if you are not already dusting in this manner, you need to start doing it from top to bottom. The reason is that some allergen particles fall despite your best efforts. When you clean from to bottom, you can clean the particles falling later on. Last, but not least in importance, you must not forget to clean curtains, blinds and ceiling fans. Allergens collect there as well. Number 2. Clean your filters. The filters you currently have, such as the ones in your AC unit or air conditioning system. Not only do you need the appropriate filters, but also have to invest some time and effort in maintenance and cleaning. If you lack filters, you can add some. For example, a single HEPA filter works well for single rooms, or you can install something bigger for your air conditioning or central heating system to better the air filtration. Number 3. Wash your pillows and cover them. If you are looking forward to laying your head on a pillow after a long day, you better ensure said pillow is allergen-free. Dust mites are famous for making their home in these areas. To protect yourself, you should use washable pillowcases and dust covers. Every 2-3 weeks, you should give them a thorough wash. You can also wash your pillows, depending on their type. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 4. Clean your mattress and bed. Pillows aren't the only items that collect allergens over time. Your mattress does so too. Even if you are using a dust cover, you should still vacuum it from time to time. You can do so by first sprinkling baking soda over it. Leave it there for a few hours and then vacuum. You can also add a few drops of essential for some real aromatherapy. While you are at it, don't forget to also clean the bed frame and headboard, especially if you have covered them in any sort of fabric. Allergens are lurking in there as well. Number 5. Limit the amount of pollen coming in your home. Implement strict no shoes inside policies to limit the amount of pollen entering your home. Place a mat at the door as well. Maintain the temperature optimal so that no mold and dust mites can develop. Number 6. Don't skimp on a good vacuum cleaner. The best tool for keeping allergens in check is a vacuum cleaner. Investing in a good one will enable you to do a better job of cleaning, which is crucial for minimizing allergens in your home. Now that you know how to minimize allergens in your home, be sure to implement these tips without delay for the sake of your family's safety and health. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out guidelines on how to take care of your cleaning tools. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.